Hi moms, Jasmine here. Grabe, April na. So, after the reset and the reflection that the recent retrogrades, the great transits have allowed me to sit with, and now that we're entering what many call nature's new year, spring, I'd like to extend a gentle invitation. Not to follow a strict system, not to fix what's broken, but to reframe how you see your year. Because maybe like me, you've somehow felt it too throughout the years as your kids grow up na one of the biggest barriers of spending time with our children, or at least our mindset, our tempers, that they feel that they don't have enough time. It's the illusion that rest only happens during maybe summer breaks or holidays, and the structure that a school year provides is very rigid, that if we want rest, we have to earn it. Tapos after 10 months pa of waking up early, drop-offs, pickups, exams, deadlines. So as someone who built so much of my life on checklists, planners, as in from since I was 10 years old, I've had perfectly color-coded boxes. I know how it is to miss the beauty that's already there. Kaya naman, gusto ko kayong anyayahang tingnan ang Agos Timon. Agos in Filipino means flow, the natural current or the rhythm that moves without forcing. And timon is yung sa bangka, the rudder or helm, the quiet steering mechanism that directs a boat gently without needing to fight the waves. So if you put those two words together, Agos Timon is a way of living, a framework that helps you flow with your family's natural seasons and steer with intention, peace, and trust. So, just to be clear, okay, this isn't just a planner, this isn't like a system. It's not about chasing time off or about it's really just noticing that you already have time there, it's yours. And instead of viewing the year as maybe 10 long months of hustle and just 2 short months of rest, Agostimon helps you reframe your calendar into 4 natural quarters, each one already embedded with its own pause, purpose, and potential. So let me show you what that looks like using the rhythm of a typical Filipino year. So let's start in the middle, Q1, July to September. It's technically mid-year, but it's also the start of most school years. And then this is also the time na we're recovering from storms, maraming walang pasok o brownout. So medyo soft start season yan. You'll find the Ninoy Aquino Day, National Heroes Day, and a lot of grace in that first quarter, if you will allow it. Q2 is October to December. Here's where we see December break, undas, and of course our very long Christmas pause. So it's not grind season during that time, it's reflection season. Q3, January to March, is really the start of the Gregorian calendar year. This is when we have our New Year, New You resolution. So it's when everyone's doing a restart, a reset. And in schools, it's actually a very light learning quarter as it leads into the Holy Week, summer slowdowns, or graduation. Q4 is April to June. This is the real summer reset. This is when your family trips happen, and this is also the planning for the next school year or just being. These aren't just academic cycles, if you notice. They're seasons of family flow, renewal, and reconnection. Agostimon is planning with eyes wide open. It's like it's like those optical illusion books, the ones where there's a hidden picture you can't quite see until you soften your focus. So, di ba, when you look at those images, suddenly, may dolphin na. Or a dancer would come into view. And that's what this rhythm is. It's not something new to follow, it's a truth you finally begin to see. This isn't about telling families what to do. Okay, so it's about helping you realize. So this week is actually a pause. It's actually inspired by the Sabbath homeschool year, and this quarter is a natural reset. Or maybe you can say, I don't need to earn rest, I just need to claim it. Because the built in rest is already there. We just don't claim it, or we forget to name it. And when you label something, you give it value. It matters to you. What Agostimon gives you is not a rigid plan, but a rhythm that you can return to or shift from. And it helps you reframe your calendar into quarters that honor your life. It helps you map out the rest as a built in gift, not a disruption. It structures your energy, not just your to do list. It aligns with school expectations too, Filipino holidays, and the values that matter to you. It's actually like magic, but not because it changes anything. It's magical because it, at least for me, it helped me see things differently. Agustimon isn't a rule book, it's a revelation. It doesn't give you more time, but it helps you see the time you already have. This isn't about escaping the grind. It's about realizing you've been flowing through it all along. Parang you were just swimming harder and then parang just surviving surface level. And so maybe now you can float. So now let's plan with clarity, not with chaos. Okay, so however you'd like to begin, there's a rhythm for that. So I prepared a downloadable Agostimon blueprint, which is just a simple printable to help you map your family's flow. Or you can join the Agostimon webinar series. It's a gentle walkthrough of this rhythm with guidance and examples. And we'll go through the planner together. And then hopefully I can give inputs on how you can plan your year. Or you take the full self-paced planning course where you can learn how to apply Agostimon to your homeschool and home life at your own pace. Or go all in with a one-on-one custom curriculum and rhythm design session with me for a high-touch guidance tailored to your whole family. Wherever you are in your journey, Agos Timon meets you with grace,